Alright, it's Ed in here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around the Seat Leon FR Sport that we have in stock. This is a 19 plate, sat on around 17,000 miles. I'll confirm that when we get inside the car. Got your Seat lighting, daytime running lights on this car. Got some lovely alloys on this car as well, all in great condition. Finished off in white, paintwork's lovely on this car. Seat lighting, daytime running lights at the rear as well. It is for sale here at Blackpool SEAT, part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. You'll find sites in Kendal, Lancaster, Blackpool of course, Southport and Wigan. So at the Blackpool site, you've got us of course, Blackpool SEAT. Next door to us, you've got Blackpool Auto Mart. They sell a variety of brands of cars. A few of our part exchanges come in from there. Next door to them, you've got Northwest Bikes, Honda Bikes, UK's only superbike store. And across the road, you've got Blackpool Honda, our flagship dealership. And over in the distance, you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars that do go through body shop prep. So any little bits wrong with the car that we see fit to replace or repair will get repaired before sale. As well as the in-house workshop as well. So all used cars that do go through the workshop as well. 142 point check to get it SEAT approved standard. That includes your brakes and your tyres. So any tyres under 3 mm in tread will be replaced with fresh tyres. Yeah, let's get into the car. Showing you the boot first. Got plenty of room in the boot. Got a little cargo net there for any fluids that you want to carry while you're driving. So there's a parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. And the seats do fold in a 60-40 split as well, giving you plenty of extra room. Onto the rear interior. You'll find this car has full leather interior with the red stitching for the FR. Got a couple of cup holders in the rear, down the middle seat for your rear passengers. And you've also got your ISOFIX mounting points in the rear for any child seats that you might have. Got plenty of leg space in the back. And you've also got a couple of air conditioning vents for your rear passengers. Stepping into the driver's seat, you'll find this car has a 6-speed manual gearbox, electronic parking brake and your brake hold. Got a couple of power outlets in your centre console. You've got dual zone climate control with heated seats. So the seats in this car, like I said, full leather interior. So you've got leather heated seats for this car, as well as your red stitching for your FR styling. Got a driving mode dial, driving mode button even, on the centre console. Eco, comfort, normal, sport and individual, where you can tailor it to your own driving needs. Onto the infotainment system, got your different radio and your media sources, satellite navigation, traffic updates, Bluetooth hands-free audio, all your driving data and your sports displayed in the vehicle settings. You've got full link as well on this car, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. And lastly, you can control your dual zone climate control from the touchscreen. Onto the speedometer, or should I say digital cockpit. One of the extras that come with the FR Sport, you've got a digital cockpit. You can adjust all the different displays using the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. All personal preference, what you have displayed in the centre. A lot of people like to display the maps. You can also display your driving data, so how much fuel you've got left, miles per gallon, stuff like that. But while I'm on the speedometer as well, quickly show you this car is sat on 17,106 miles. That warning light is for your washer fluid, so it just needs topping up. That'll happen when it goes through the workshop. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your media buttons. On the left indicator stalk, you've got your cruise control, as well as your indicator and your main beam, full beam. And on the right hand side, you've got your wipers, FR badges in and around the car, and of course the red stitching around the steering wheel for your FR styling. Down to the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your light style, and on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, as well as heated mirrors, electronic windows, and you've got your child lock located on your driver's door handle. As I said, you can see it a bit better in this lighting on the inside. Ambient lighting, which runs through the car. So on your infotainment system, the colour that you select for your ambient lighting does run through onto your infotainment system, as well as the digital cockpit. Adds a very personal touch to the car. A lot of people like that on their car. So that's the car. It's available here at Blackpool SEAT. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or require a more personalised video of this car, contact the sales team on 01253 600 980, or for any finance options available on this car, again contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon.